Good afternoon, you wonderful people of the internet. My name is Locke, and if you don't know anything about me, this is my 23 BRZ. I make videos, installs, vlogs, you name it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, there's some good content still coming. Now, of course, before we get stuck into everything, you can also follow my Instagram right here. It is 00Locke. Do some reels, photos, all that kind of good stuff. Now, of course, today we do have another install video for you, an auto folding mirror module that we have for the BRZ. Now you might be a bit confused here. Locke, what is an auto mirror folding module? Well, let me show you what I mean. This is a 2019 Mazda CX-3, and as you can see, when I push the lock button on the car, the mirrors will fold in automatically. I press the unlock button to get in your car, the mirrors fold out, just as we like. Now, of course, this is a 2023 Subaru BRZ, and both Toyota and Subaru must have thought, geez, nobody needs that. That is a silly idea. So unfortunately, when you lock the car, nothing happens. So if you want the mirrors to auto fold, you have to simply put the ignition on, press the button yourself, and then fold the mirrors. I don't know about you, but that's just a pain in the ass, and I never use that feature. I just simply leave them open like this. But today we're going to fix that. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is our auto folding mirror module, and this is from Track Electronics, who are based in Australia. I will leave a link down below in the description so you can purchase that yourself. It did cost around $100, so that's about the price. I'm sure there are other companies out there that do it, probably some in America by now, so make sure you just shop around. This module is basically going to do exactly what the Mazda does. We lock our car, the mirrors fold in. We unlock our car, the mirrors fold out. Simple as that. It's just a bypass mechanism that we're going to be putting inside the door. So let's get started with the install. The mirror module is located underneath the door card. So we need to take all this plastic off. We've got a screw in here that we need to take out. We also have a couple of screws down in here. And we also have I believe this light here that we also need to take out from underneath. Cable. Like that. That came flying out. There we go. One. Wait. Take that off like so. But once we take off this door card, we've still got the wires attached right here. This is for the door handle and the lock. So we need to disconnect those. So you just have to pull them out like so. Disconnect this module here. Down here, that's for the windows. And the door card should now be free. And just a tip, boys, if any of these white little clips end up popping out, looks like this one popped out down here. There we go, like so. Make sure you pop them back in. All right, so this is going to be the main module that's going to be used to obviously fold the mirrors in. So we've got that. Some double-sided tape, so obviously we can stick it in here somewhere. And we've got the main harness for it all. So first things first, I'm just going to unwind this here. So we've got full length of the cables, which looks to be these orange ones. Okay, first things first, we're going to pull this wire out, like so. The window is going to come back up, so just leave that hanging there for now. So this is going to be a bypass here, so what we're going to do is we're going to go male end to female end there. Make sure that's properly plugged in. And then this male end is going to be the bypass, and that's going to replace your original. So we're going to plug that back in like so, and the window is going to come back down. Okay, so if we are coming over here to where we disengaged the window module from, we're going to pick up our connector here, and as our purple and grey wires allow us to extend this harness back over here. We're going to do yet another bypass. So we're going to get out of these two big pins, we're going to get the female end connected to our male original, like so. So all we're doing is bypassing, and of course, don't worry about this little cable hanging off here. This is just a fuse. This is going to be connecting to our track electronics module, just like so. Okay, so I've just put my module over here, placed like this with the 3M Velcro tape. We're gonna go put the door back on now and make sure we line everything up. Guys, don't forget to reattach your new module. Make sure you plug that module in. Well, fellas, that wasn't too bad. We put the module in, we've attached all the cables, the door card went back on, not that easily. There were a few little problems with those clips. Make sure you line those clips up, by the way. Probably easier if you have two people, but hey, we did it, that's all good. And well, now is the moment of truth. So I actually haven't tested this, but I really hope it works. Yeah, and unlock, they come back out. Beautiful. Well, fellas, thank you so much for watching. I hope that tutorial helped you out. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please give the video a like if this helped you out. Give me a cheeky comment, and also make sure you are subscribed to the channel because there's plenty more content to come. So without further ado, we will end this video here, boys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.